Hi everyone, today is the third session of word root and today we will discuss about the word root icon or icono, which means likeliness. We will understand n number of words which could be made by using the word icon or icono. So let's begin. Icono word has been derived from a Greek word which means icon, and it means likeliness, right? So it's a Greek word which means likeliness. Icon derives three meanings with itself. The first meaning is someone or something that acts as a symbol. For example, Priyanka Chopra is a living icon for millions of girls. So it's an image. It's a person or some image which we take up as an idol. The second meaning is an image of any god, like goddess Saraswati, goddess Lakshmi, goddess Durga, right? And the third meaning of icon is visual symbols on a computer or laptop screen. You might have seen many symbols on the computer screen. So those are called icon. The first word is aniconia, spelled as Aniconia, aniconia. It means the absence of images or icons of God from a religion. A religion which does not follows any image or icon of any god is known as aniconia. The next word is aniconism, Aniconism. See, the base word here is icon, right? Aniconism means hostility to images or idols. The third one is icomaniac, which means someone who is abnormally interested in images or mad about it. So a person who is too much interested in to know about images or icons is called icomaniac. Mania word is related to madness, so you can relate this. Icomaniac means madness about the images. Iconify, Iconify. It means to make a symbol or a smaller symbol or image, big one on a screen. Iconize, to treat someone or something as an icon. We say, like, this is an iconized person. So it means to treat someone or something as an icon. Iconoclast, it means to destroy a religious image. Okay, iconoclast means to destroy a religious image. The next one is iconodule, Iconodule, iconodule. It means someone who upholds the religious images, who keeps the religious images on a superior level, right? Gives lots of respect. So it's iconodule. So see, here all the base words are icon. Next is icogenitor. Genitor word is related to genesis, that is creation. So someone who creates an image is called icogenitor. Iconolatry, it means to revere icons. Revere means to respect icons. Iconography, it means the visual images or symbols that represent someone or something. Okay, the visual images to represent someone or something. Iconologist, logist is related to a study, right? So anyone who is an expert in analyzing or interpreting icons is called iconologist. Iconomacy, it means rejection or negative treatment of religious images, right? So anyone who rejects or treats the religious images in a very negative manner, who does not give it lot of importance, is called iconomacy. Iconology, the study of visual images and their meanings, is called iconology. And a person who is expert in the study of images is called iconologist. Iconomania, right? Here, someone who is infatuated with collecting images or icons is called iconomania. That someone who is too much interested in collection of images. Iconomical, Iconomical, iconomical. It means hostile to the images or icons or to the reverence to them. So not treating the images or icons in a respectful manner, and also showing disrespect to the people who give them respect or respect. Iconophile. Iconophile is a person who is too much obsessed with the images, icons and the illustrations. Iconostasis. The screen which displays the images or the icons is called iconostasis. Iconophilia. Madness for images or icons. Okay. Iconoplast. Someone who creates images or icons is also called iconoplast. Iconophobe. Iconophobe means someone who is afraid of images. Phobe or phobia word is related to fear, right? So iconophobe means someone who is afraid of images. So see, all these words are related with icon or icono. So icono or icon means images or idol. So anything which is related, which is added with these words changes the meaning, but it is related to images. So these were the 20 new words that we made by the usage of word root icon or icono. Next session would be on the word root ideo.